What's up, everyone? Welcome. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another how-to video. If this is your first time and you want to grow your channel, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So, today I will be showing y'all how to, wait, what was this how to see if a song is copyrighted. So first you go up to Google Chrome on your desktop, and now you want to go to YouTube right there. Okay, now you want to go to your channel icon right there, mouse up to there, and go to Creator Studio right by my channel. Okay, from there you want to go down right here to the left, and wait, where's my mouse? Oh, and click Create right there. Create by translation and transcriptions, and then you want to go to Music Policies right there. And you can search a song. Like if I wanted to search Living Hope, Phil Wickham's latest song, you just type in Living Hope right there. Living Hope. And wait, I don't know if it, okay, but that didn't work. Let's search for this. Wait, let's search for this. No, let's search for Phil Wickham. Phil Wickham. Phil Wickham. Okay, see, there's some Phil Wickham songs, and then these are songs, and there are a lot of Christian songs. Okay, let's mouse right here and click the down arrow right there, and see if you, and it says if you use this song, playback, viewable worldwide, advertising ads can appear if you perform a cover, playback, viewable worldwide, advertising ads can appear. Okay, now that says viewable worldwide. Now let's do Overcoming by Mandisa. It says this song is not available for use in your YouTube videos. If you use the song, your videos may be blocked or muted. So there we go. Let's do this one. Let's try this one. It says viewable worldwide again. What about You're Beautiful by Phil Wickham? Still says viewable worldwide. Your Love Awakens Me, maybe? No. Okay, well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of how-to videos, then subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. And leave a comment what what you want me to do on YouTube how-tos, tips and tricks, because I can help y'all. Let me know in the comments, okay? Okay, bye.